GDOT stock analysis. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. This is for tomorrow, Monday, 17th of March and onward. I saw a very decent end of the week, which was like 17% up. Now, having done well over 37,000 videos and 5 figures invested in courses and mentors, I have a very decent idea of what's making me money and what's not. With GDOT specifically, unless the price really comes down and shows me like a decent double break, then I'm not going to look to take things up whatsoever. Even right now, I mean, I see the price is filling in a little gap and whatnot, and that's all I can really see. But let me come out here. This is where we are. How sick. So finally start to see some breaks up. The only thing that will make sense for me though will not be just randomly buying, because now obviously we have very big gap, is maybe if the price stabilizes a bit and then shows me like a little rough double break with a little pull down. I mean, yeah, then obviously, but right now it's just not the timing is not okay. Again, personally me. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free